Assalamualaikum viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you all guys super amazing, incredible and very creative macrame wall hanging storage with home decor ideas. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, for more videos. I am glad that you guys like these type of images. These are very unique and very beautiful macrame wall hanging ideas. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always take care of yourself guys. Always be happy. These are very pretty, these are very amazing macrame wall hanging story decoration ideas. You guys make these macramas at home. If you don't know about how to make these wall hangings, then you guys are amazing for me. You guys are outclass. I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very stunning, these are very beautiful and very latest idea for you guys. So guys, these are very amazing, very beautiful and very latest macrame wall hanging ideas. So guys, always take care of yourself and keep watching my videos, keep supporting my channel. So guys, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for supporting my channel. Always take care guys, always be happy. Always think positive guys. अपना ख्याल रखें, दुआ में याद रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।